Hi, I'm Steve Landis from Continental. I'm here to show you the proper procedure for valve stem replacement on our VDO TPMS sensors. This aluminum clamp-in stem comes on the Continental TG1C sensor family. This includes both our OEM replacement sensors and our REDI sensor multi-application TPMS sensors. These sensors use a pivoting valve stem to make on-wheel installation easier and to accommodate a wide range of wheel rim profiles. It's important to know how to install them correctly to avoid damaging the stem or sensor. Every time you perform tire service on a TPMS-equipped wheel, the TPMS sensor service kit parts must be replaced because these parts are designed for one-time use only. The kit usually consists of a hex nut, seal washer, seal, valve core, and cap, but this can vary by application. TPMS sensors only need to be replaced if damaged or if the battery is worn out, and the durable VDO metal valve stem is also reusable unless it is damaged. Whenever you're performing TPMS service, start by checking your safety equipment. Use protective eyewear, footwear, and gloves when working around shop equipment and tires. Be sure the parking brake is engaged, the transmission is in park or neutral, and that you use factory-recommended lift points. When performing TPMS service, always remove the tire completely from the wheel. This helps prevent damage to an existing or new TPMS sensor and reduces the potential for personal injury or tire sidewall damage. To remove the sensor from the wheel, hold the sensor body while using a socket wrench to remove the hex nut from the valve stem. Then slide the sensor out of the wheel. Discard the old hex nut. Remove the seal and seal washer from the stem by hand or with an approved removal tool. Discard the old seal and washer. This stem uses a two-piece seal and washer, while others use a one-piece seal. When you're servicing a two-piece design, take note of how the seal seats inside the washer and how the washer is oriented to the sensor for later reference. If the sensor is still electronically operational, next visually inspect the sensor and stem for damage. Both the sensor and stem are reusable if not damaged. If the sensor is damaged, the whole assembly must be replaced. If only the stem is damaged on this style sensor, it can be replaced separately. For stem replacement, first be sure the seal and seal washer are removed. Tilt the stem down toward the sensor's silicone potting underside. This frees the stem from the sensor body's metal retaining bracket. Next, slide the stem up through the metal retaining bracket at a steep angle. Never try to force or pry the stem out. If you free the stem from the bracket and push it out at the correct angle, it will remove easily. This stem is okay, so I can simply reinstall it. Install the stem by sliding it downward through the metal retaining bracket and then clicking it in place. Now the only other piece you'll need to remove is the valve core and cap, unless they were previously removed when deflating the tire. Use a valve core removal tool to take out the old core and replace it with the new valve core from the service kit, torquing it to 2.7 inch-pounds. This valve core tool has a slip torque limiter at that rating. Install the washer and seal in the same orientation as the originals. On this two-piece design, the thicker side of the rubber seal seats inside the metal washer, and the angle cut in the washer faces toward the underside of the sensor for maximum wheel clearance. The one-piece design is a bit simpler because there is no angle cut, and the rubber seal is permanently bonded to the washer. Now you're ready to put the sensor assembly back on the wheel. Torque the hex nut to 71 inch-pounds, and you're ready to remount the tire, air up the tire to placard pressure, reinstall the wheel in the vehicle, and perform the TPMS vehicle relearn. For Continental, I'm Steve Landis. You can learn more about the complete VDO TPMS replacement parts program, including the game-changing VDO REDI sensor and the latest application coverage at redisensor.com.